Hey guys, how's it going? So today we're going to be unboxing the Enermax T.B RGB lighted fans. These are 120 millimeter fans. Here's the model number, some product descriptions, and we got some specifications there. We got speed 500 to 1500 RPMs. We got airflow, static pressure, all that. Right here we got the key features, which it has. So let's go ahead and get it open. Alright, so let's get these guys open here. Check out what we get in the box. Alright, so we'll start with this guy first. The manual is inside the box there. Alright, so it looks like we have the fan hub here. And I do 8 fans, 2 LED strips. We got an IR and a motherboard connector. And then we have power and reset switch. This is a Molex connector for power. There's that guy. We have this is an LED strip extension. That you can plug into there. We have the IR for the remote, the cable extension, so you can put this in the back of your case, have this in the front. And we have Velcro and 2 magnetic strips. You can put these here, tape them down, stick it in the back of your case. We have 12 screws and the remote. So how this is mostly ran is just with this remote. Now you can sync it up with your motherboard, but most of your features are going to be done from this remote here. So we have LED brightness up, down, fan speed up and down. We have a motherboard sync, auto, RGB store. You have your colors there, and then down here on the bottom we have our 4 different modes. So most of your features are going to be done with this guy here. Let's go ahead and take a look at one of these fans. Fans feel nice and heavy. Do have a rubber on here to help with noise. And you can see there RGB 5 to 1500, 12 volt DC, 0.45 amps. And then we have our LEDs right there, and also inside here. So we have 3 strips there, 1 in the front. Now this could be a downfall to some of you. This is a proprietary to just that fan hub there. So we have our connector here, as you can see there. So these can only be plugged into this hub only. Alright, so what we're going to do is we'll go ahead and get these installed in the case and check them out. Alright, so here are the Enermax T.B RGB lights. I have all the other lights right now off, my other RGB lights. These are just the fans themselves. So right now it is on just the RGB mode. So what I'll go ahead and do is I'll change the modes here. So we'll go ahead. So what you can do is I can hit red, and then I can hit flash, and it'll stay on that color. It'll flash on that color. So that's the flash mode there. We'll go ahead and do sparkle. That's the sparkle there. And then we'll go ahead and do beat. And beat is probably the best out of the three. Then the last one is Vegas. Now, even though I have that set on red, I can use the 3 modes and it'll stay on red. When I hit Vegas, it will change to different colors. So here's Vegas. There goes the green. So just like that. Alright, so that's the remote, as you've seen in the close-ups. The MB button, I know it's kind of hard to see, the MB button is to put it on motherboard, and then if I press auto on here, that changes it back to my original, the original RGB, just changing. So yeah, that's the review on the Enermax T.B RGB lights. They are okay, kind of a beginner RGB. The only way to really change it is through the remote. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope this was helpful, and take care.